everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Operation Christmas Child Shoebox I put together for a boy aged 10 to 14 years old. It is a cardboard box, so it is in this fabulous, cool, sparkly wrapping paper. So let's see what's inside. Okay, first thing you see, I guess, when you open it up, is you see right away that he gets a superheroes coloring book. Just lots of fun stuff in there, Spider-Man and whatnot. So that is cool. Then he gets a full-size notebook. Just, you know what a notebook is, obviously. Okay, now this box is a little bit smaller, so it just kind of has some small things in there, but I think they're still good. This is a map of the world, and it's an inflatable globe. And so I thought this would be good. You can learn with that. I absolutely love to see maps of the world and stuff like this. And actually what I did is I took a marker and I marked on the map where I'm actually from. So he can blow it up and he can see where his shoebox came from. So there's this. Then there's this cute little Jack Russell Terrier dog. He's got a little handkerchief, and we have already named him Sparky. So he gets a little Sparky dog. He gets a light up spike ball. And these are really fun. I love to play with these with my dog at night. They're just really fun. They're really cool texture. They bounce. You can play catch with them. Really fun ball. He gets a little car, a little Hot Wheels car. It's green and yellow. And in here, in this little container, there's actually a set of marbles, so that is really fun. I always loved marbles when I was a kid. I never knew how to play them exactly, but I just like to look at the glass pieces, like the little glass pieces. So I wanted to pack a set of marbles this year, and I managed to do it. This is a cute little set of marbles. He gets a purple bouncy ball. For hygiene, he gets a bar of soap, a washcloth, a purple toothbrush, a comb, and some Band-Aids. He gets this little maze game. These are fun. I like to sit and play with these sometimes, so he gets a little maze game. I think the last in here is school supplies. He gets a bendy ruler, because if you've ever packed a shoebox, you know how difficult it is to include a ruler in there. This has inches and centimeters, and it folds up so nicely. So there you go. He gets a pack of colored pencils to go with his coloring book. He gets normal pencils, pens, erasers, 8 pencils, 3 pens I think. Yeah, a big bundle of that. He gets a glue stick, purple glue, an eraser, and a pencil sharpener. The very, very last things in the bottom of the box is a note from me, is a handwritten note from me, and some star stickers. So that is everything that is going in this box for a boy aged 10 to 14 years old. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell to see more of my annual shoeboxes. I will also have the total cost of the box in US dollar, Canadian, Australian, and British pounds. So be sure and check the description bar if you are interested in that. That is everything for now, and I will see you next time. Bye!